This is the continuation of my report for control charts. I want to show you guys how to make X chart and R chart. So this is the finished product of my computation. So I will just transfer it or redo it to show how I made up for this kind of solutions. So I just transferred all the data that I have. I have 20 sample sizes and I have 4 subgroups. So the first thing to do is to get the average for each subgroup. So we have this column, we will call it as sample X bar. For the mean X bar. The other column, we will call it range or R bar. Okay, so to get the average, you just have to type average and then like that. Next, we have to copy it from top to bottom. Okay, then for the range, this is the formula for this is max, get the values from 1, 2, 3, 4, and then minus minimum, which is also the values from subgroup 1, 2, 3, 4, and then enter. Okay, so another max minus minimum so we'll just copy from top to bottom. Okay, next thing is we will get these values. Okay, first n, when we say n, this is sample size. How many sample size we have? We have 20. And we have 4. This is the number of subgroups, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then X bar. For the X bar, we will get the average of all the means that we collected a while ago. So average is equals to this. What is that? Wrong signal. Okay. And then for the range, we have to collect the average also. So, I did not. Okay. There should be parentheses para hindi. Okay, so that's the average of the range, 11.85. Now we will get the D2, D3, D4, and A2. These are constant values. Since we have 4 subgroup size, ayan, we will refer the constants for control charts for all the subgroup size 4. So we have 7.729 to 0.059 naman sa D2. Sa D3 po is 0 and D4 is 2.282. So I just have to copy here kasi nagawa ko na siya para madali. Oops. Okay, yeah, please. Okay, for the UCL naman, or the upper control limit for the X bar, unahin muna natin si X bar. Ang formula po dyan is mean of the X bar or populated mean of the X bar plus, plus A2 times R. Yan. Okay? And for the lower limit, lower control limit, mean pa rin, populated mean of the X bar, kaso minus A2 times the R bar. or the range. So these are our control limits. Now we will get the range or the R bar chart. For the R bar chart. For this one naman po, is madali lang to. So we have the constant D4 times R range. And for naman dito, we have D3 times R. Tataka po kayo, ba't 0 ang sagot? Meron talaga pong mga values na 0 talaga yung answer. So, afterwards, we will get na the, now we will plot the chart. Okay, to plot the chart, kailangan meron po tayong tatlong values. First, itong uunahin ko is, x bar muna. So, we have the UCL, LCL, and the CL. Actually, ito, pare-paras lang po yung niyan, yung kanyang values, ika-copy lang natin. So, si UCL ng x bar, i-copy natin yan. Then, paste special values. Okay, para hindi mabago yung kanyang values and formula. Next naman, si LCL, copy natin dun si LCL. Tapos, paste special values. Tapos, itong si CL, ang tawag dyan is central line. Ang pinaka-central line natin is lahat ng mean na kinuha natin kanina, which is the X bar and the R bar. So, copy natin yun. And then, values. Tapos, yan po. Okay, so this is what we have, X bar. Dapat pala nagsingit ako ng isang row. Yan. So, X bar. Then, we will type the R bar. Ganun din sa R bar. We just have to get the upper control limit, the lower control limit, and the control limit. So, ang kakopy naman natin dito is yung R bar ng upper control limit ng R bar. Please. Okay. Now we can make our line chart. So to make the line chart po, first we have to highlight this X bar and then press command and then get also the X bar. Yeah. Color it and then insert line chart. Yung line chart na gamitin natin with marker. Ayun. Then palitan natin yung title. This is what we call the X chart. Susunod naman ko is the R chart. Yung R chart, ganun din, same. We have to, and then command, and then the pink, insert tayo ng Yan. So, ayan. This is the R chart. Yan. Pwede pong i-customize tong graph na to. Depende sa gusto nyo. Pwede lagyan ng label dito. Burahin yan. Ayan. Depends. So, this is basically how to make the X chart and R chart based on the data that we have. So, kung makikita mo, itong mga points na lumampas sa ating upper control limit and lower control limit, these points suggest that the process is See, from the both X bar and R chart, it is clearly evident that most of the values are out of control, hence the process is not stable. Okay. So, ayun po. Thank you so much.